This movie is brought to you by, of course, Eros International and Bhansali Productions. Ranveer Singh! यहां पे मतलब रणवीर सबसे पहले, इज इट द वेदर और इज इट यू? इतना ज्यादा गर्म माहौल।
इन लोग ने छाव का स्पॉट देख के रखा है। इट्स नॉट सो हॉट गाइस, ओके नो?
हाँ, अभी रणवीर के साथ एवरीबॉडी इज ओके, राइट? अच्छा, सबसे पहले मुझे बताओ,
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार। जोश कहां गया यार? अभी एवरीबॉडी वाज सो एक्साइटेड। वेयर इज द जोश? रणवीर सिंह, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।
सर जी नमस्कार।
प्रणाम।
आदाब।
सत श्री अकाल।
क्या आदाब?
हाँ? नहीं, ये नहीं करना था। Okay, this is the first official poster launch and this humongous poster is here and बाजी राव के रूप को हम देखने वाले हैं। And before that, can we make some noise for Ranveer Singh?
I love you too.
वो एक तो लकी हो ही गया आज यहाँ पे है। रणवीर, सबसे पहले before we do the honors, I have a सवाल for you। मुझे बोलो, बाजी राव का कौन सा एक क्वालिटी है जो इस फिल्म के हो जाने के बाद भी आपके अंदर रह जाएगी?
आपके सवाल का जवाब देने से पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू एवरीबडी फॉर कमिंग ऑल द वे टू गोरेगांव इन द मिडल ऑफ द आफ्टरनून। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग आउट। बहुत स्पेशल डे है। फर्स्ट पोस्टर लॉन्च हो रहा है। काफी बड़ा पोस्टर है? I'm very happy today to be launching the poster. Our teaser's out. It's got such a phenomenal response. Our first song, Diwani Mastani, is out. It's got a fabulous response. So I hope people like the poster as well. To answer your question, मैं तो बस यही कहूँगा कि I'm just very happy I got to do this film because I've learned so much, I've grown so much. It's the whole shooting experience, the making of this film, which will remain with me forever. Everything I've learned from the master maker himself, Mr. Bhansali, has helped me grow as an artist, and I will keep it and cherish it for the rest of my life.
Okay, and now to do the honors, are we all set? रणवीर ने पहले ही बोल दिया था जोश नहीं होगा कैसे करूंगा यार। Are we all set, ladies and gentlemen? उधर से हल्ला हुआ।
हमारे मीडिया वाले दोस्त बैठे ना, पहले बोले हम देखेंगे, पहले पोस्टर अच्छा लगा तो नॉइज करेंगे हम लोग। ऐसे नहीं। पहले
Okay, I'm gonna go नीचे। रणवीर, we have a crazy fan following over here.
क्या करना पड़ता है?
Come on, make some noise, make some noise.
Tell me when, guys.
Are we good with this?
I'll test it once more. I'll add to it. Maybe it'll be more. हाँ?
ठीक है।
1, 2, 3.
अब लग रहा है grandest film of the year. And यहाँ पे to do the honors, रणवीर, अब हो जाए आपका चलवा।
अब मैं क्या करूं?
खुल जा, सिम बोल दो।
अच्छा, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 करेंगे साथ में, okay?
Everyone.
The first poster of Bajirao Mastani coming right up. Ladies and gentlemen, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
ये ह्यूमंगस पोस्टर, एक बार रणवीर कितना ऐसे देखना पड़ेगा इसको, है ना? अभी अभी मुझे प्लीज ये बता दो आप जल्दी से, बिफोर वी ओपन द हाउस फॉर द मीडिया, एंड वी हैव अ स्पेशल फोटो ऑफ फॉर यू पीपल, सो उसके लिए वेट करना होगा। आज जब इतना तगड़ा रिस्पॉन्स आपने देखा इस पोस्टर के लिए, इससे पहले ट्रेलर को, गानों को इतना सारा प्यार मिल रहा है, वो दिन जब नरेशन सुनाया गया था इस फिल्म का, तब से लेके अब तक की जर्नी क्या है?
यार किस दिन पे वापस ले गए आप मुझे। मुझे अब भी याद है, प्रकाश जी हमारे राइटर ने मुझे फुल नरेशन दिया, और उन्होंने भी इतनी दिल से और इतनी देर से लिख के रखा था। बहुत ही खूबसूरत नरेशन दिया उन्होंने, एंड आई वॉज इन टीयर्स एट द एंड ऑफ इट। आई कुडंट, आई मीन इट टुक सम टाइम फॉर इट टू सेटल इन। बहुत ही इंटेंस फिल्म है, बहुत ही इंटेंस लव स्टोरी है इसमें, रोमांस, ड्रामा, हाई ऑक्टेन ड्रामा, एंड दैट इज ऑल देयर एट द स्क्रिप्ट लेवल। नरेशन के बाद मैं थोड़ा फ्रोजन रह गया, और आई एम श्योर नाउ द फिल्म इज कमिंग टू इट्स कल्मिनेशन। तैयार हो रही है, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लिटिल ओवर अ मंथ टू गो फॉर रिलीज। अब जबकि मेरा फर्स्ट पोस्टर रिलीज हुआ है, तो now I'm getting a bit nervous. I hope you all like it.
Did we all like it?
I am also seeing this for the first time, by the way.
सीढ़ी लगानी पड़ेगी आंखें तक देखने के लिए, थोड़ा ऊपर है।
Intense look है,
इंटेंस। मुझे बोले यहाँ पे डाई हार्ड फैन फॉलोइंग देख रहे हैं आप, इतने सारे लोग, एवरीबॉडी सी दे वेविंग आउट टू यू। मुझे बोलो, जिन लोग को ये था कि यार रणवीर को हमने देखना उछल कूद करते हुए, अभी बाजीराव वाले अंदाज में क्या अलग होगा?
बहुत ही डिस्टिंक्ट कैरेक्टर है, बहुत ही समथिंग आई हैव नेवर डन बिफोर। इतना इंटेंस वॉरियर, such a great man. Bajirao is a legend. It's very heartening. I'm very, very proud that I've been selected to portray him on screen, and I've tried my best, and I hope I'm able to do his great life justice on the screen.
Well, all of us are loving it. पहले लुक से लेके अब तक we all are loving it. एक बार जोरदार तालियां वापस से बाजीराव के लिए. And now it's over to the media. आप लोग अपने सवाल जवाब पूछ सकते हैं, and then we have that surprise for हमारे still for dogs यहाँ पे. So yeah.
मतलब स्क्रीन वाला बाजीराव यही है, ये मैं ही हूँ सच्ची। मैं दिखाऊं, लुक दिखाऊं आपको? हाय हाय, इतना इंटेंस, ओह मैं बेहोश ना हो जाऊंगा।
So is there any similarity between the character you are playing and in your real life?
No, actually, this is the most distinctly different character from what one can call my own personality. A person who lived his life in the 1700s, long time ago, not today's time at all. Very different mindset, very different temperament, very different stuff that has happened in his life. A lot of drama in his life. Something that I have not attempted before. Something I'm very happy I got to do. But definitely the most different from who I am, what I am, and which is why I had to really get into very deep characterization. So the prep period was very intensive. I locked myself in a hotel room for about 3 weeks just to try and create a character, just get away from my familiar surroundings and see if I can come up with something new and someone new. I'm glad I did that because it went a long way in performing for the screen. It really helped me a lot, a very useful process for me.
So it was very difficult for you to play his character.
I had to go very far from who I am to be and become Bajirao.
Taking this forward, question ahead, what all physical training you had to get through? Because it must have been a really tough task.
It was very physically demanding film. We've shot it for almost over a year now. And the thing is, there are different types of physicalities that you see Bajirao over a course of time in the film. So his physicality is a certain way, and then some time on screen passes and you see a completely different physicality. So to do a little bit of transformation in that sense required some work. Also to be he's a real tough guy, hard eating, hard drinking, he's at war most of the time. So this is very, very intensive physical work. Acting in front of the camera on set is also very, very physically draining. So resting, rejuvenating for the next day of shoot was very, very important. I broke my shoulder during the course of the shooting of the film. Many few injuries here and there. So in all, a very, very physically demanding film. But more than that, an emotionally demanding film. But I'm glad it is that, because it's a part that I could really, really sink my teeth into, that I had a lot to do to portray Baji Rao, and I'm very happy. I was very, very ready for it as an actor, and I'm really happy that I got this chance to play this amazing character.
And something that you take back from your character.
I think I've probably playing Baji Rao has completely changed me as a person, and particularly as an actor. Everything I've learned, I had to summon. Everything I learned, I had to unlearn. When I watched the film, I haven't yet. I'm sure I'll be seeing and witnessing things for the first time, because when I'm performing it, I'm only feeling it. I'm not going to the monitor to watch it or anything. So it's changed me as an actor. I've learned a lot, like I mentioned. And yeah, it's made me a stronger person. There was a lot of adversity that I had to overcome during the course of the shooting of the film, in order to get the film made. And that's made me a stronger and wiser person.
Hi Ranveer. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
कैसी हैं आप मैडम?
बस जी एकदम ठीक ठाक.
काले चश्मे जो आपने पाए हैं.
Oh my god.
Oh hi. आप हो. Hi. How are you?
Good.
Good man.
Yeah.
हाँ जी. मुझे आंख लग गई
रखा
है. आप इतनी लाइट मार रहे हैं, मैं कुछ दिखेगा नहीं तो मैं निकाल दूं तो.
अच्छा रणवीर ये बताइए.
मैं निकालूंगा तो वो लुक आ जाएगा. मैं बाजी राव बन जाऊंगा. चलेगा?
बाजीराव ने मस्तानी से मोहब्बत की है.
में घुस गया. रणवीर ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे आप पूरे कैरेक्टर में घुस चुके हो. और 18 दिसंबर इस दिन दिल वाले भी रिलीज हो रही है. एक तरफ किंग खान है तो दूसरी तरफ है बाजीराव. तो कितना नर्वसनेस है या किस तरह की फीलिंग है?
नर्वसनेस तो इस बात की है कि लोग बाजीराव को देखकर कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे. लाइक आई सेड, 1 साल के ऊपर हमने इसकी शूटिंग की है. भंसाली साहब 12-15 साल से ये पिक्चर बनाना चाहते थे. A lot of work, a lot of heart, a lot of blood, sweat and tears has gone into the making of the film. पूरे दिलो जान से पूरी टीम ने बनाई है. तो नर्वसनेस इस बात की है कि something that we all collectively have invested so much into, how will people react to it? Ultimately, we've made it for the audience, to try and give them something memorable, a cherished experience in the watching of Baji Rao. So yeah, we're nervous about how people will react to our film.
Hi Ranveer. First of all, I would just want to say that the poster looks amazing.
Thank you यार, किसी ने तो बोला. So sweet of you.
Okay, secondly, your on-screen chemistry with Deepika looks crackling. And at the same time, the other couple on-screen chemistry of Deepika and Ranbir is also appreciated. And they are said to be the next SRK and Kajol of Bollywood. So how do you react to this?
Yeah, I think SRK and Kajol are SRK and Kajol. Ranbir and Deepika, Ranbir and Deepika. You know, each pairing has its own appeal, its own charm, and its own legacy. So I don't think it's right to compare actors or pairings of actors in that sense.
Well, recently at Tamasha's launch, it was Karan Johar who asked Deepika, whether Deepika looks hotter with Ranveer or Ranbir. So at that, she said that her dil isn't mushkil. So what do you think?
What do I think about what precisely, first of all? Who does she look hotter with? Me, obviously. God यार, ये भी कोई सवाल हुआ? Come on यार.
हाय रन.
आपने सुना नहीं? बाजीराव ने मस्तानी से मोहब्बत की है. आपको पता ही होगा कि ये एक्चुअल लोग थे, पेशवा बाजीराव और मस्तानी, और 1700s में उन्होंने एक्चुअली जिया था. दे आर एक्चुअल पीपल. तो उन्होंने रियल लाइफ में मोहब्बत की थी और अय्याशी ने के लिए. तो इसके ऊपर हमने एक 2.5 घंटे की पिक्चर बना दी मैडम.
Ranveer, you have been shooting for Bajirao Mastani since a long time, and in the due course of time, another period film, Bahubali, released.
Oh yeah.
So, and that raised the standard in terms of period drama. So, do you see that as a positive for the film because people have started accepting period drama, or do you see that as a negative because we have? Well,
a few things about Bahubali. First of all, I loved it. I was blown away by the visual effects and the action in it. Bahubali, I think people have always been accepting of period dramas. They've been very kind to period dramas. I think they lend it to what our audiences like traditionally. A lot of color, a lot of splendor, a lot of music, a lot of grandeur. So people have always been kind to the genre. Yes, Bahubali did raise the bar in terms of visual effects and what it was able to do with it. I really love Mr. Rajamouli as a director, one of my favorites. I think, but what I can tell you is Bahubali is very, very different from Bajirao Mastani. Bahubali, you could say, is a dramatic action movie. Ours is a dramatic romance. You know, it's a love story. It focuses on the personal life. It focuses on the emotions, on the drama. Yes, it has a lot of action. Yes, we do have a lot of visual effects, but they aren't the core and the driving force of our film. It is the interpersonal relationships and the drama that lies at the core of Bajirao Mastani. So they're very, very different films. But yes, I do see the wide acceptance of Bahubali as a very positive sign for us as well.
The poster is out, so when can we expect the trailer to be out?
That you'll have to ask Mr. Bhansali. He's on stage 3 if you want to find him.
आपका आज का लुक मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Thanks. किसी ने तो बोला. कोई तो कुछ बोल दे यार.
एक अभी जब कंपैरिजन या फिर कहीं टक्कर की बात होती है डेट को लेकर कि 18th है, तो वहीं पर एक कंपैरिजन नोइंगली अननोइंगली ये भी बात हो रही है कि सलमान ने हाल ही में कहा कि उनको बहुत दुख है कि उन्होंने बाजीराव मस्तानी की नहीं या कर नहीं पाए. आपको लगता है ये एक थोड़ा सा चैलेंज होगा आपके लिए, क्योंकि उनका इमेज, उनका लव या उनके लिए जो दर्शकों का प्यार है उसकी जगह वो शायद आपको देखेंगे?
I know all too well that Salman sir was supposed to be the original Bajirao. But I've really worked hard to play Bajirao on screen, and I hope I can make him proud.
Right.
You know, to be honest with you, for the past year and a half, you could say I've been living under a rock. I really am far removed from everything else that's happening. I had a single focus, which is to play Bajirao to the best of my ability, because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and I had to do it justice. So everything in my life has taken a backseat. I'm not in touch with many of my friends. I've not got enough time to spend with my family over the past year and a half. Of course, all of them are very, very understanding of that. But at the same time, I've also not been up to speed with the current affairs, unfortunately. Hopefully, I'll get some time off between Bajirao Mastani and Befikre, which is when I'll catch up on everything that's happening. So right now, I'm not well equipped to comment on this issue.
शाहरुख ने कहा कि उन्हें ये कैरेक्टर प्ले करने नहीं मिला, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि बाजीराव आपके अलावा और कौन बॉलीवुड में प्ले कर सकता है?
बोली दो.
Once more.
बाजीराव ने मस्तानी से मोहब्बत की है.
जोरदार तालियां बाजीराव के लिए, ladies and gentlemen. Eros International and Bhansali Productions present Bajirao Mastani. That's Ranveer Singh for you. And ek baar, come on, one last time, make some noise.
you are ready for it, let me hear it. I want to hear it. Are you ready for it? यार मैं सोच रहा हूँ ये निकालूंगा और ये फिगरीन, ये पुतला मेरे से ज्यादा हैंडसम निकला तो अच्छा ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. ओके तो मैं निकाल लेता हूँ. 1 second. Somebody will take the mic from me. Ladies and gentlemen, mostly as I can see, please be ready for the photo op. Here goes.
But before I let you steal the show, I need to give the time to my boss.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Sir जी, आप 2 मिनट शुरू होते हैं अब.
I'm notorious for that.
That's why I said before you steal the show. But tell us, Zulfi.
जुल्फी जी,
about.
कुछ लफ्ज.
अभी बोलो.
पहले तो आपकी हैंडसमनेस का राज बताइए.
सर कुछ चीज़ों में आपसे आगे हूँ मैं, लंबाई में, मोटाई में. लुक्स के बारे में शायद मैं नहीं कमेंट करूँगा, वो आपके लिए, आप मुझसे बहुत आगे हैं उसमें.
सर इनको देखो.
इनको देख कर आपको देख.
We'll come to him. Speaking of him, sir, tell us about this, no?
So thank you everyone for taking time to spend this evening with us. I trust that everyone enjoyed the first episode of Blazing Bajirao. The story of making Blazing Bajirao actually goes a long way off. When the film was getting produced, there were different facets of and aspects of Bajirao that we started learning. And then we used to have meetings with Sanjay sir, and the intensity with which he actually told us about Bajirao and the new things that he told us about Bajirao convinced us that this is a story that we need to take out to everyone, all segments of society, all age groups. And when we actually got into a huddle in Eros now with the team, one of the things that we actually dwelled upon is the times that we live in, and we factored in that today India is changing, and it's changing at a very fast pace. The younger generation nowadays has a lot more exposure to technology, to the delivery mechanisms, platforms, and also global content. So we had to make some disruption in telling this story. You know, different aspects, the great warrior that he was, the leader that he was, his exploits on the battlefield. And you know, the Eros Now creative team actually came up with this brilliant, creative, disruptive idea to come up with India's first graphic web series. And you know, at Eros Now, the promise is very simple, and I tell you with all my sincerity over here that we are committed to creating compelling and innovative content. And this was our first step that we took. This also happens to be Eros Now's first original series. The inspiration behind it was not tough to find, let me tell you. Very rarely do all the pieces in the puzzle fall into place. And for us, this was very, very simple. we had the story of a legend, we had the phenomenal Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and we had the amazing Ranveer Singh.
अरे सर,
So it was.
I was waiting. मेरे लिए कौन सा adjective आएगा? Phenomenal तो use हो गया.
So amazing, and so that's where we were. It was very easy for us to actually put our minds together and create this. I don't want to say much more, but I'm very keen to hear your reaction.
नहीं सर, मैंने कॉफी ले लिया, आप बोल.
इतने बोलूँगा सर. आप स्टार.
ये मेरी बड़बड़ की दवा है सर.
फिर तो आप और बोलिएगा आज.
नहीं, मैं पकाऊंगा नहीं सर.
So, but I seriously.
What do I say, sir?
What's your reaction on Blazing Bajirao? Are
Are we gonna get these chairs at some point? They're just sitting here, feeling very shy. Huh? Shall we, guys?
Someone's trying to punish us. वो लोग बोल देंगे खड़ा रहे तो थक जाएंगे चले जाएंगे.
I think that's in the second episode of Bajirao. when they say Bajirao कभी बैठता नहीं है.
Fabulous, sir.
They're making it live up to it.
हाँ जी, मैं क्या कहूँ? Yeah, it's very exciting for me. This is only my 8th movie, and now I have an animated version of myself. What did they say at the end of the episode? Unstoppable, invincible, no pressure. I mean, but yeah, it was very exciting to see for the first time. I was like, wow, yeah. And then did you see the figurine outside? This is pretty cool, huh? He's taller than you also, sir. आपने वो ब्रीफ नहीं दिया अपनी टीम को इसकी हाइट कम कर दो.
मैंने सिर्फ कुछ चीजों में मैं आगे हूँ, बाकी सब चीजों.
But very handsome figurine they've created, sir. Fantastically detailed, and you'll see it at all the major multiplexes, and people can click selfies. I think it's super cool. So I have like a figurine of myself now. I have an animated version of myself now, and something truly exciting. Are we ready to reveal that bit of information or no?
I think before we go there, I think we have something for you.
Okay.
We want you to have a look, and you wear all these lovely clothes. And
thank you, sir. This is my.
You're a style icon.
Mr. Bachchan came to our set. We were shooting a big old bone-crushing warrior dance with Ganesh Masterji. We hope to go leagues ahead of Tatar Tatar this time. In fact, I just shot the last day, and I'm here. We were just next door at Film City. Fabulous song. It's turned out really, really well. I really can't wait for you guys to see it. Mr. Vishal Dadlani has sung it. It's called Malhari, and it's totally kick-ass. I can't wait for you guys to see it. And Mr. Bachchan came to our set. He was shooting his TV show next door, and he came over to the set. And he has just such a magnificent aura. So I said, okay, next time, this is my Mr. Bachchan tribute. This is my Khuda Gawah look. You like it? तू मुझे कबूल, मैं तुझे कबूल, इस बात का गवाह खुदा. See, sir, I love you, yeah. Never let me down. I love you.
So we've got something.
Sir, can you sing like me?
नहीं.
अरे सर.
मैंने कहा कुछ चीजों में आपसे आगे, बाकी सब बहुत पीछे हूँ आपसे.
Sir. So yeah, this I believe is also something to.
नहीं.
If I'm not mistaken. ये वही है ना? I don't know. Shall we find out?
Please,
Okay.
नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको पहन के आना है।
और अगर मैं नहीं पहनूं तो
फिर सिर्फ निकर पड़ के पहन के आ जाइए।
नहीं तो फिर कंटेंट वाले फोटोशॉप कर देंगे आपके ऊपर।
So some more exciting.
अब क्या सर, दिस मच एक्साइटमेंट आई कैन हैंडल। एक के बाद एक,
आप बैठो।
मिसाइल पे मिसाइल। दिवाली आ रही है, आप बम फोड़ रहे हो।
हमारी भी बम तो जब फट गया था जब हमने पिक्चर की माउंटिंग देखी।
अरे क्या बोलेंगे भंसाली साहब के बारे में, जितना बोलो कम है।
This is as grand can get, and we really wanted to leverage the grandeur of the movie and the mounting of the film. So I'm actually happy to announce that we managed to get access to some really special and exotic locations of the set, and with the release of the film, we will be releasing truly immersive virtual reality scenes of the film. It's a 360 degrees.
क्या बात है?
Available on eurosnar.com.
क्या बात है?
Free for everyone. It's
जिसको ये समझ आया वो तो ताली बजाए ही बजाए। सर मैं नहीं समझता हूँ ये सब। 3D immersive virtual reality, प्लीज समझाइए सर।
So it's a 360 degrees. It's the first of its kind for a film that's being done.
So what is it? What is it?
Once it's available to you, you move. If you have it on your phone or you have it in your iPad or wherever you have it, you can actually move and you're in the set, in the location actually.
That's incredible.
If you look up, you'll see the ceiling. If you look down, you'll see the floor. If you turn around, you're going to see at the back.
That's
Everything is
absolutely
360 degrees.
incredible.
Everything's been taped up.
That's mad.
Yeah.
तालियां. That's mad, sir. Do you have like an Aina Mahal version of that? Because that set was spectacular. वो गाना शूट हुआ था ना, आपको तो पता ही होगा। गाना तो हिट हो गया, मुबारक हो हीरोस वालों, SLV प्रोडक्शन, पहला गाना हिट हो गया। वो गा दो सर।
आप गाओ।
अच्छा कुछ चीजों में मैं भी आपसे आगे सर, जैसे गायकी।
इरशाद।
मुझे शर्म क्यों आ रही है लेकिन। कहते हैं ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई। मेरे लुक्स देखे हैं, लाडा शॉट्स दे रहा है। ओह माय गॉड।
And there's another very exciting announcement to make.
सर
सर आप पकड़ में बहुत मुश्किल से आते हो ना। अरे दिन में शूटिंग कर रहे थे आप। एक बार में पूरा कर लेंगे।
सर मैं खून मार रहा हूँ, देखो मेरी लेटेस्ट इंजरी, और मेरे टो में भी फ्रैक्चर हो गया, आपको पता है? पूरा गाना मैंने फ्रैक्चर टो के साथ किया, देखो पूरा बैंडेज लगा है। मैं हार्डवर्क कर रहा हूँ, ऐसे मत बोलो सर।
नहीं आप सबसे ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क करते हैं।
तो मैं आ रहा हूँ, प्रमोशंस ऑफिशियली शुरू हो गए 2 दिन पहले। पोस्टर निकला, पोस्टर तो अच्छा है आपको, रुद्रानी आपको तो खास करके। तो अगली रिलीज क्या है? ये वेब सीरीज आज 9 बजे रिलीज हो गई। एपिसोड 2 कब आ रहा है सर?
Episode 2 next Friday.
नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे।
Every Friday.
हर फ्राइडे एक छोटी सी पिक्चर लगी मेरी। हर फ्राइडे।
And there'll be different aspects of Bajirao and more.
Fabulous.
Don't want to reveal the more part of it, but there is.
Okay, so this is released. 3D animation release के बाद
With the movie that'll be released.
टी-शर्ट आपने मुझे अभी दे दिया, निक्कर गाड़ी में है।
निक्कर गाड़ी में।
और
एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है।
बोलो सर।
You know, we live in a country where 53% of India's population is supposed to be youth, and we realize that we have to reach out to different sets of audience, different people in different ways, and for that, जैसे आपने बोला आपने पिक्चर बना ली, एनिमेशन सीरीज बन गई, टी-शर्ट आ गया, निक्कर आ गया, so I want you to actually open this for us, and
ये मैं रख सकता हूँ ना सर?
नहीं रख लीजिए सर,
क्योंकि ये एक्चुअली गिफ्ट रैप है, मतलब ये मेरे लिए गिफ्ट है।
This is our next announcement.
Okay.
I'll hold that for you, and then I'll speak about it.
Oh, is it what I think it is? सर,
आपको सब चीज पता कैसे है?
सर, is it what I think it is?
आपने कितने जासूस फैला रखे हैं?
सर, दिवाली आ रही है, आप मुझे अभी से गिफ्ट दे रहे हो?
नहीं, चेक नहीं है।
सर, मैन ऑफ द मैच को कैसे बता?
सर, मैन ऑफ द मैच में 15 लोग स्टेज पे खड़े रहते हैं सर।
वाह।
So we'll be releasing the Blazing Baji Rao game on 11th of December. On the web portal, you can play it exclusively free on erosnow.com. Otherwise, go down to the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. You can download the game and it's amazing. It's going to be out on the 11th of December.
But how incredible, sir! मेरा figurine बन गया, मेरा animated version बन गया, and now the game. I'm really curious to see what this game is. Blazing Bajirao, the game. Video games बन रही है मेरे ऊपर यार, क्या हो रहा है यार? ये भी घर लेके जाओ, पकड़ो. Mind blowing, sir. इतना प्यार करते हैं आप मेरे. चलो सर बढ़िया. सर मैं अपने आप को अगर ड्रॉ करता ना, मैं भी ऐसे ही करता. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 एग्जैक्टली.
2 छुपा कर रखें थोड़े नीचे.
अच्छा सर वो भी है. और उसके हाँ
उतने बस.
हाँ जी अभी कुछ Q&A होने वाला था.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल. So now that we know there's a game, there's a web series, there's all the other stuff, fancy merchandise. We'll open it for Q&As for the media if you have any questions to ask. अगर कुछ बाकी रह गया है तो रणवीर and Zulfi are both here to answer your questions. Anybody? सबको weekend pack up करना है.
रणवीर, what's the score? What do you mean? When my guy friends ask me that, it means something else altogether, bro. What do you mean? What do you mean? What's the score? I don't know. You tell me. I don't know. I believe it was like 15 for 2 or something at one point. I mean, we lost Shikhar early, which is terrible because I really like the look that he's got going on, you know. So I don't know, bro. I don't know what Oh, the game score. Apparently, if that's your iPad, sir, so you've been playing that game.
We just got it this morning.
It was the high score there was 50271, if you must know. How did I get so good with numbers? Ganit mein 5वीं में 5 बार fail.
So far, there's only 2 people who've played that game. One is Zulfi, one is you. So if you are the highest
That's
scorer,
absolutely killer.
Although I do
suspect somebody from the Lula family must have definitely played it.
Ranveer, who is the main villain opposite you in Bajirao?
Who's the main villain? Wow, man, that's a really hard one. I don't know how to explain this to you. It's a very layered and complex story about relationships. So it's not about. It's hard to explain right and wrong. I guess you just have to see the film and figure out.
Is there someone who is like a main villain opposite you in the movie?
Like I said, it's hard to explain. You know, Mr. Bhansali makes these films that are so deeply connected with human emotions and are really driven forward. The narrative is driven forward by human emotions, and those are very complex and very layered and inexplicable, really. So I guess you just have to see the film and figure it out for yourself. I could not answer that even if I tried. I am definitely the hero. So, if that helps.
Also, in the trailer that we saw.
Yes. Which trailer? Now we have a teaser out. We have a web series out.
The web series.
Gigi.
We heard Bajirao being described as an alpha male.
Yeah.
Are you an alpha male?
Alpha male warrior.
Are you an alpha male as well in real life?
No pressure whatsoever on the actor selected to play the part in the feature film. Yeah, I can't say this myself. I can't say it myself now. How can I say, हाँ मैं तो alpha male हूँ? Who says that about themselves? Yes, my name means warrior. Ranveer means warrior. So somewhere or the other, I believe I was born to play this part. And so I put over a year into it, and I put everything into it, and it's shaped up really well. And I really can't wait for you guys to see more and more promo material as it comes along. It's very, very exciting. Many more songs which, Mr. Bhansali is perhaps unparalleled. You know, nobody shoots songs like him. I can't wait for you to see the way he shot the songs of this film. They'll be out soon. We have the entire theatrical trailer
We had a 3-minute out, which did phenomenally well, which was also happy about. But the theatrical trailer is really staggering. I can't wait for more promo material to come out, and I think we're now 43 days away from the film. So yeah, it's exciting times.
रणवीर लेडी गैंग की बात करें तो
किसकी बात करें?
दीपिका और प्रियंका की, तो कब वो ज्वाइन कर रही हैं इस टीम को प्रमोशन के?
वो मुझे नहीं पता है, मैं बड़ा बिजी रहता हूँ, तो उनकी शेड्यूल कोई और मैनेज करती है, मुझे रियली नहीं पता। मैं अपना काम देखता हूँ, बस मेरा काम ठीक से हो जाए, मैं घर जाके दाल चावल खा के सो जाऊँ।
लेकिन रणवीर अभी आप यहाँ प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं और दीपिका तमाशा के लिए रणवीर सिंह कपूर के साथ वहाँ प्रमोशन कर रही है, तो
आप डिसाइड कर लो। अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था, सॉरी। क्या कर रही हैं?
तमाशा प्रमोट कर रही है पृथ्वी थिएटर में। 9 बजे की टाइमिंग है, सेम यही टाइमिंग है, तो कोई खास वजह थी कि वो वहाँ है और आप यहाँ हैं, क्योंकि दोनों फिल्मों में वो
जी आई थिंक तमाशा 1 महीने ऑलमोस्ट पहले रिलीज हो रही है बाजीराव मस्तानी के, तो ऑब्वियसली उनके प्रमोशंस पहले होंगे, तो ऑब्वियसली वो पहले वो तमाशा प्रमोट करने जाएंगे, फिर बाजीराव की प्रमोशंस चालू हो जाएंगी उनके लिए, आई एम श्योर। मेरी तो चालू हो गई।
Are you missing her in your promotion?
I am actually missing all 3 members of the core team. Mr. Bhansali, who it will really be nice if somebody can get him to make an appearance. I would really love for him to come out and speak about this thing that he's worked so passionately on for so long, a dream that he's had for so long. And yeah, I can't wait for PC and Deepika to join the promotional campaign. I think it'll be much more fun if Mr. Bhansali and PC and Deepika and me, and then we're all together. It'll be a lot more fun, and I'm sure much more exciting for you guys as well. So yeah, I can't wait for them all to join.